I made this time date widget because I wanted something simple, crisp, to show the time, to sit on my screen on top of my any app. Of course, there's the system time, but it's not that visible. In Windows 7 there's a gadget collection, but none of those Sweetman needs, and Microsoft issued a warning regarding their security. First you have to download for free the programming environment, Microsoft Visual Studio 2022. Go to Visual Studio web page, download Community 2022, install the module .NET Desktop Development, and click Start. Create a new project. Type Form to easily find the necessary project and select VB Windows Form App. Tick Place Solution in the same directory. From the upper menu, select View Toolbox and pin this tab. Add one label, click and drag label 1. Do the same for another label, label 2. Add a timer. Click on the timer and on the right side property page, click Enabled True. Tick 1000. It means to execute the code every 1000 milliseconds. If you paid attention in school, that's 1 second. Double-click on the timer. This opens a code tab. Type those 2 lines as follows. Return to Form tab. Press Run button. The program starts. You'll see the same text in both labels, date and time. Now let's tweak this window to make it look as we want, to show on the first line the time and on the second the date. This is it. This widget shows the computer time, not some internet-derived time on a website or something, just the local time, the time on your computer. The way time is formatted corresponds to your Windows local settings. If you like how it looks, let's make it a functional standalone program. Click Build, Publish selection. Target folder is your destination folder for your executable program. Configuration in target runtime, select Win x86. In File Publish options, produce single file. Click Save and Publish. Here you have the path to executable program. It's the one with .exe right there. Now you can launch it, you can copy it to another computer. It's a working program, no install required. Very little memory use and no CPU load. If you want an UTC clock, for those who are using satellite tracking software or ham radio communication, this kind of activity is always done in UTC time. Just write these lines of code instead. Change the form title text to UTC time. Publish as a single file and you're done. If you liked it, give it a like. It's free and it doesn't hurt. As always, thanks for watching.
Houston, Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground.